Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create folders in Gmail. So basically in Gmail, folders are actually called labels, and to create a new one you need to firstly open the application on your device. Then you need to tap the menu icon in your upper left corner, and then you need to click create new. Give the name to your label, for example like this one, and click save button, and now you see that I have created a label or folder. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.